Today's challenge, L-sit press from the floor. Maybe some blocks will be useful. If not blocks, just take some books. Sitting with straight legs, hands in front of hips, lean forward and then press. Taking it back a step, try lifting with bent knees. Once you're up, then straighten legs. If that's tough, take the blocks or the books, place them in front of your hips, try to lean forward with your upper body, and press into blocks. And if that's tough, take it to blocks and bent knees. Once you get comfortable here, you can try stretching out one leg, the other leg, maybe both legs. Good job.